In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Google account or your Gmail account permanently using your mobile phone. First of all, you just go to Gmail. You need to tap on your profile icon that is in the top right corner. So you can see there is an "and" written in my account. So this is my profile icon. So once you tap on profile icon, it will list out all your Gmail accounts apart from the one that you have selected already. So you need to select the one which you want to delete if you have more than one Gmail account. I have got multiple accounts, but I have already selected the account which I want to delete. Once you select your account, what you need to do, you need to tap on manage your Google account. Okay. You will be provided with some options. Okay. So in these options, what you need to do, you need to go to data and privacy. Once you tap on data and privacy, you get a lot of other options. So you go down, scroll down, and at last, under more options, you have this option called delete your Google account. So once you tap on delete your Google account, you'll be taken to a page where you need to verify your account again. You may have to enter your PIN, you may have to enter your fingerprint, or you may have to enter your password. It will depend on the security that you have set in your phone. Once it verifies you using your PIN or password or your fingerprint, you'll have the options to go through what are the things that are going to be affected. Like your Gmail will be deleted, your calendar will be deleted because it is a Google account. All Google services associated with that account will be deleted. My account, which I am using for demo purpose, is a fresh account which do not have much of the services listed. Like I do not have YouTube connected or anything like that using this account. So if in your account you may have a different services listed. All right. And then you need to agree to the terms and conditions that any loss due to this deletion of your account is your responsibility. So tap on the first option that you are responsible for the loss that is due to the deletion of this account, and the next, you know that you are going to permanently delete your account. And by chance, if you want to take a backup of your data before deleting this account, you can go to this first option, download your data, tap on this link, and it will take you to the takeout.google.com web page where you can download a backup of your data. So once you have agreed to the conditions, checked these two options, you simply tap on this delete account, your account will be deleted.